Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss to you guys on how to create a program that will ask the user to give a certain number integer, and then our program will compute the cube value of a given number using pointers in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here sharp include stdio.h. In C, it is a standard library file. std means standard IO input output header file. This library file is very important in every C program because without this, we cannot use the keyword printf, for loop statement, conditional statement, pointers, etc. So int main, it is a function in every C program. So what the purpose of the main function? When we compile our program and execute, this will be the function that is being searched by our C compiler and run. The same way when we terminate our program. So here we have here the left curly bracket begin, and then we have several variables that is being declared. Int num p pointer cube, printf \n for new line, printf \t cube a number using pointers in C, enter a number that will be stored in our variable num, p pointer equals ampersand num, it will stored here. So cube equals pointer b multiplied by itself thrice or 3 times. We have a new line, and then we have the display here. The cube of the given number is pointer here and the cube value, and then return 0, return to our operating system. In this case I'm using Windows 7, so we will return and terminate, and right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. As I said earlier, don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our online GDB, click the run button to execute our program. Let us wait for a while. Okay, cube a number using pointers in C, enter a number. Let's say we have 3. The cube of 3 is 27. Let us click the run again. Let's say we have enter a number 5. The cube of 5 is 125. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on cube a number using pointers in C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.